Welcome. In front of me is a HAFURY GT20, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and look for the hotspot toggle. Now if you don't see it, similar to me, you can tap right here on this pencil and then swipe down, and you can see that it is right here. So all we need to do is hold it and drag it over the top, drop it, and now you have access to it. So once you see it in the toggles, you can then hold it again, and this will take you to the settings. And in here, I'm going to select Wi-Fi Hotspot, and I recommend selecting the hotspot password, which by default will be randomly generated. So without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what it actually is. Now I do recommend just removing this one and setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. And from there you can tap on OK to save it. And that's really the only thing I recommend changing. So I'm going to close it. Let's find the toggle once again. And this time around, tap on it to toggle it on. And there we go. Now once you're done with it, you want to turn it off by tapping on a toggle once again. Now the reason you want to turn it off is because hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, so if you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. And with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.